Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to game share on Steam with your family members or a friend. So if you want to share your library, you can easily share all these games. So let's go up to Steam right here and go to Settings. Then go on down under here. And there's a new section under Steam for Family. Now, you're going to have the option under the screen to create a family down here, where you can invite people and you can share your game library with them, or you can be invited to a family and where you can join under here. So go and decide if you want to create one or join one. So I already have a family created. And then I can go to manage my Steam family and it will bring me to this page. And you can see at the bottom here, I have pending invites, and then I can invite another person off my friends list. So just type in their name, whatever it may be, and then send them invite. So they have to accept first. So you can see these people have pending invites, so they're not able to gain access until they accept that. And we only have 5 of 6 slots available. And then we can go over to the game library. This is all the games that I'm sharing. Now, once you accept the invite, you can go on over to your library. And you can see there's an option to install it right here. And then you can start playing. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. Did leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.